Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice, and on this video I'm going to give you an in-depth review of the Vax Platinum SmartWash carpet cleaner. So make sure you stick all the way to the end because I'll be giving you tips on how to maintain your carpet cleaner and also the pros and cons of using this carpet cleaner. So let's get started. So this is the SmartWash carpet cleaner that I'm going to use. It comes with this bag which has a hook, which is very handy when you need to hang it somewhere, and it also has a clip just to clip, close the content of the bag. So inside this bag there is the user manual, which kind of tells you how your carpet cleaner works, and it also comes with a 2.5-meter hose that is for upholstery, and it also comes with a cleaning solution and the spin scrub hand tool which attaches to the hose. It also comes with this 2-in-1 antimicrobial wash tools. So the Vax Platinum SmartWash carpet cleaner has this top compartment which is for the clean water tank, and it has a capacity of 3.5 liters, and the bottom tank is for dirty water, and it has the capacity of 1.9 liters, and it just clips back easily. And for the clean water tank, it just slides easily into the compartment. At the back of the carpet cleaner, this is where the soap solution compartment is. So you put your soap solution in there and just slide it back in. It also has this dry only button for drying the carpet. And this SmartWash carpet cleaner is really good because you don't need to press any button. As you push it forward, it washes the carpet, and if you push it back, it dries. And this is the carpet that I'm planning to wash. As you can see, it looks really dirty, and this carpet has been washed before using the Power Max. As I've mentioned, the Power Max is really handy if you don't have any other alternative, but it doesn't clean as much as you want it to clean. So I went ahead and put the Vax solution into the solution compartment and just close the lid and slide it back to the carpet cleaner. And you need to put warm water around 40 degrees into the clean water compartment tank and just slide it back in, and you should be good to start cleaning. The blue button is to on the machine, and the gray button is for the handle release. As I mentioned before, this Platinum SmartWash carpet cleaner, if you push it forward, it washes, and if you push it back, it dries. So this rag is called Dallas rag that I bought from made.com when it still existed. And as you can see here, this is the dirty water after the first wash. And yeah, this is how the carpet looks after the first wash. As you can see, there's a little bit of dirt that is still there. So I went ahead and refilled the tank and carried on washing it. One thing I like about this carpet cleaner, it has the dry only button where you can press and it dries your carpet regardless if you're pushing forward or backwards. Here I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the dirty water tank. So remove the clean water tank and then just pull that handle, and then the tank comes out, As you can see there, there's a release handle. If you pull it up, the top opens, so the lid kind of opens. So push it up and the lid opens. Just empty the tank and close it and put it back into the carpet cleaner and you're good to go. So this is how the carpet looked after I washed it probably 5 or 4 times. I emptied the tank. So yeah, I am well pleased. I think the carpet cleaner does what it says on the tin, which is amazing. So this is the other type of rug that I'm going to clean. This one is in the sturdy space that we created in the living room. As you can see, there's a lot of marks on it. It just doesn't look great. So these marks need to go. And this rug was from Asda. So this is the result after the first wash. As you can see, a bit of the marks have come off, which is very impressive. And then I just decided and did one more wash to get rid of the marks. And this was the result after the second wash. As you can see, all the marks have gone, and I think the carpet cleaner did a great job on this one because I didn't have to clean so many times. And this is my other rug in the hallway. It is a round rug, is 100% wool. So yeah, as you can see, there's a few marks on there that needs to go. And this rug is from John Lewis. So when cleaning this rug, there was a lot of wool coming out. As you can see, this is the amount of wool that was coming out. So at one point I had to stop the carpet cleaner and just get rid of the wool and clean the brushes and carry on washing it. After 2 washes, the carpet looked amazing. And this is my final rug that is in the bedroom that I'm going to wash using this carpet cleaner. As you can see, this one is a little bit thick. It has high pile on it. If you're enjoying this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, please do so. So one of the interesting things that happened with this rug was I found the carpet cleaner struggling to clean this rug. As you can see here, I am pushing backwards. The carpet cleaner is supposed to be on dry mode when I'm pushing backwards, but it was just flashing wash and dry at the same time. So it was a bit confusing. I didn't know whether it's washing or it's drying. And at one point I pressed the dry only button, which is supposed to dry the carpet, but it was just beeping wash and dry at all times. So it got me a bit confused and I didn't want to wet the carpet so much. So I wasn't so sure whether the carpet cleaner was doing what it's supposed to do, and whether it was only washing or drying. So yeah, that was an interesting fact to discover with this rug. If you know why this happens, kindly do let me know in the comment section below. That would be helpful. So regardless of the carpet cleaner going all crazy, he cleaned this rug well. So this is how to clean or maintain your carpet cleaner. Just flip the blue button and that covers come off. And with the brushes, there is a button there on the left hand side, depending on how your carpet cleaner is. Just press that button and your brushes come off. Rinse them under running tap just to get rid of any dirt, and clean the carpet cleaner where appropriate. And this is where you slide back the brushes into place. It just clips on easily. It's very simple to put the brushes back on, and your carpet cleaner looks brand new, which is a little bit of a different when it comes to the power marks that I've used, which is a little bit of a nightmare to clean. There's too much fiddling and trying to clean the brushes, which is not as easy as this. And voila, your carpet cleaner is as good as new. So overall, this is a good carpet cleaner. I think it's been voted as #1 Vax carpet cleaner, which I think, compared to the one that I've used before, it kind of sits right because it washed the carpet really well. Apart from the high pile carpet, I felt like it struggled with that a little bit, but for the rest of the carpet, it did a good job. I gave this carpet cleaner an 8 out of 10 and I highly recommend it. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Do let me know in the comment section below what was your best part of this Vax Platinum SmartWash carpet cleaner. And thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.